He just checked out a discharge from hospital and look at him snoring. Mommy loves you, with you doing good. Jesse boy. Happy boy. Happy life with Mother Jung. Mother Jung loves you. Have a good sleep, honey. So snoring. In the same position nearly 2 minutes. Can't believe it. You have a good sleep, mommy boy. Why he sleep in the same position? He might feel comfortable. Good night, night, night. Bye bye. Love you, Jessie.